Hello friends, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about top B.Ed colleges in district Amravati, Akola and Buldhana. So guys, these colleges have good infrastructure. They are also affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University and they are affiliated to SNDT University. These colleges are NAC graded. They are recognized by NCTE. So let us begin with first college. So first college is Government College of Education. It is situated in Ramdaspet, Akola district and they have total 55 seats for B.Ed program and it was established in 1956. This particular college is aided college. It is a NAC B plus graded college. It is affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. They also provide PhD in education. This college is recognized by NCT, that is National Council for Teacher Education. They have good library facility with 23,489 books collection in their infrastructure. They also have psychology lab and hostel facilities are also there in this college. So this is a very good college for pursuing B.Ed in Akola district. Now next college is K.M. Asghar Hussain College of Education. It is situated in Rani Jhansi Road, Akola district and they have total 50 seats for B.Ed program and this particular college is NAC B graded college. It also provides DTED course, that is Diploma in Teacher Education, and they also give MEd program, that is Master in Education. It is affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University and this college also has placement cell in their college and through which B.Ed students can be recruited in schools and colleges. Now next college is Savitribai Phule College of Education. It is situated at Akot, Akola district and they have total 50 seats for B.Ed. This college was established in 1986. It is NAC B graded college and it also provides Diploma in Teacher Education, Master in Education. In this college B.Ed is in distance mode also and regular mode also. If you are doing B.Ed from regular mode, then your degree will be awarded from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, and if you are doing B.Ed from distance mode, then your degree will be awarded from Indira Gandhi National Open University. And in this college placement cell is also there. Through this students can be recruited in schools and colleges. Now next college is late Lala Saheb Deshmukh College of Education. It is situated at Tivsa, Amravati district. They have total 55 seats and it has good infrastructure facility. They have psychology lab, computer lab and it also offer MEd program and they have very good library facility with 6,333 books collection in that. This college has been run by Manav Seva Pratishthan. Next college is Srimati Pratibha Tai Patil Mahila Shikshan Shastra Mahavidyalaya. This college is girls college and it is situated at Dayapur, Amravati district and they have total 50 seats for B.Ed program. And this college was established in 2008 and it is run by Vidya Bharati Shikshan Mandal. This college is affiliated to SNDT University and they also have good infrastructure. Now next college is SSMM B.Ed college. It is situated at Nandgaon Pet, Amravati district and they have total 55 seats in B.Ed and it is affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. It is also recognized by NCTE and it is run by Anuradha Bahuddesh Shikshan Sanstha and they have well developed library facility with 10,432 books collection. Now next college is Government College of Education, Chikhli Road, Buldhana district. They have total 50 seats for B.Ed and guys this college is aided college. Guys ये एक ही college है पूरे बुल्ढाना district में जो government college है and it is a NAC A graded college which is very good and it was established in 1968. They also provide Master in Education, Diploma in School Management and Diploma in Education. They are affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Kadaria College of Education. It is situated at Ashtavinayak Nagar, Buldhana. They have total 50 seats in B.Ed and this college is also recognized by NCTE and it offers B.Ed in Marathi medium. They also provide hostel facility to students. Now next college is Sahu Maharaj College of Education. It is situated at Malvihir, Buldhana district and they have total 50 seats and this college was established in 2005 and it also provides Diploma in Teacher Education, Master in Education and they also have placement cell in the college and it is affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. They have very good infrastructure, library facility. They also have computer lab in their college. So guys, this is all about top B.Ed colleges in district Amravati, Buldhana and Akola. If you want to pursue B.Ed program, then you need to give Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination. For that, you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581455. We have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manvaredu.com for B.Ed entrance. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. So this is all about in this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.